Ge3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory. How to install Matplotlib. So Matplotlib is an amazing visualization library in Python for 2D plots of array. Let's see how to install. Open the web browser, type Python. Welcome to python.org. Type the link, click the link and click the download. Here you can see the latest version for Windows 3.10.2. Click this. The .exe file is downloaded. Double click. Then select check it, that is add Python 3.10 to path. Then click customize installation. Then check whether all this, the documentation, pip, ideally Python test suite, Python launcher are selected. Then click next. Then all these wants to be selected. The next click install. Python is installing. Installation going to be completed. After installing the Python, then we can install Matplotlib. So setup was successful. Then click close. After install, click start and type command prompt cmd, enter. After install, you want to check the version of Python. For that you can type py -- version, enter. So the Python version is 3.10.2. Okay, now we need to install that, check the version of pip file. It is py -m pip - version, enter. Then you can get that version of pip file 21.2.4. Now let's install that Matplotlib. So type py -m pip install Matplotlib, enter. So Matplotlib was installed successfully, and for executing this Matplotlib program we need a NumPy also. So let's install that NumPy also. py -m pip install NumPy, enter. So NumPy is installed. Now let's type Python. Now we have entered into the Python. Let's write the program for Matplotlib library. Import is a keyword. It's used to access the packages, modules. Matplotlib dot pyplot, then which is alias as a plt. Then enter. Then import NumPy as np, enter. X is equal to, x is a variable, np dot array. Inside the array we are going to store the x-axis values and y-axis values. So x-axis values is a, b, c and d. So close it. Next, y is equal to np dot array of, it is values I am going to give 3, 8, 2 comma 10, then close that array, then plt dot borrow of x comma y. This borrow function is used to draw the bars in the graphical method. Okay, the next after that plt dot show off, then only it will be showed as the output. Then click enter. So you got the output like this way, that is a bar format. In the first you can check with the values. First what we have given 3, so between 2 to 4 3, it is named as a. The next 8, the next 2, C is a 2 and D is a 10. Likewise we can execute the Matplotlib library programs. So I hope you all understood how to install Python, and next how to install Matplotlib, how to install NumPy, and inside that how we can write the programs and how we can execute. You can try it and see. Thank you all.